That was really nice. I love that song.
Me too. I wonder how hard it is to learn sign language. It seems tough to me.
You could do it.
Next group coming to the stage are students from Miss Sorrentino's class with messages for all of us about Earth Day.
I don't think littering is good. Littering is bad. It can pollute the air, and it is bad to breathe in.
Hello, my name is Lily. I don't think we should pollute the earth because it hurts sea animals and it hurts the earth. That's why I don't think we should hurt the earth.
I want to start in every other month garbage cleanup weekend.
Don't litter, just save. Stop littering, start recycling instead of just throwing stuff in the trash.
We must start recycling more, then the earth will be cleaner. That will help Earth.
I think we should not throw bottles on the ground.
I think we should not litter. It is hurting the animals. We should start picking up trash and put it in the recycling bin. Help the earth by not wasting electricity, not littering, and not wasting water. Only turn on the dishwasher if it's full, use less plastic, and last but not least, recycle instead of throw it away.
Never litter. It is bad for the environment because the animals can eat the trash and they can get sick, so you should always throw away your trash.